Show you guys how to make a pH paper. A pH paper usually comes in a roll, like a tape, but this form also works. First, you need to know what a pH paper is. pH paper is a piece of paper that's saturated with chemicals that change color when they come in contact with acids and bases of different intensities. When this is done, it's called a pH test or a litmus test. This is a pH scale. The strong acids are on the left, which is 0, and the strong bases on the right, which is 14. As you come to the middle, the chemicals get weaker. 7 is a neutral one. Cut it into small pieces. Cut it into even smaller pieces. And we'll keep cutting. Pour some boiling water inside the vessel. Put the red cabbage slices into the boiling water. Empty the plate and keep putting the slices inside. Let it stew in the water for some time. Let the color bleach out of it. Let the mixture blend well. Make sure that this machine goes on a start stop basis. Pour the solution slowly so that the sieve can filter well. Make sure that the solid part gathers there and push it once to make sure that all the water gets inside the vessel. After that, you can throw out the solid part. And that's the solution, the piece of paper, the plate where you put it to dry. Take a piece of paper, douse it in the solution, push it to the bottom with the fork. Push the piece of paper to the bottom of the solution and make sure all the sides soak properly. Put it in and out to make sure that the soaking is uniform. Let it soak well and absorb the solution. Then let it dry and put it on the plate. Put more pieces of paper inside. Two, 3 or 4 at a time would do. Now push it to the bottom and repeat the same procedure. Don't let any part peek out of the solution, the white part that is. Well, as I said, follow the same procedure. Put it in and out a little. Then one by one take it out, let the water fall out, and then put it on the plate to dry. And separate those pieces of paper. We don't want them to be together when they dry. Creates a lot of complications. Make sure that the water drips out before putting it up there. Repeat the process with the other pieces of paper. Make sure they also soak properly in the solution. And when you put them out to dry, make sure they don't touch each other on the plate. Let's test the pH paper we made. This is soap solution, which is a base, and this is lemon juice, which is acid. You're gonna put it in there for some time just in case it doesn't absorb too quickly, but also not for too long as it might tear off. And well, we get a solution with a greenish color, which I might say is closer to a 9 or maybe 10 on the pH scale. And now for the lemon juice. You can use the same paper on the other side too. It makes a really good contrast kind of situation. And here we go. We have a reddish color. I would say around 2, 3 or 4. So here we have proved that this is a base and this is a acid, and we have really proved that this is indeed a working pH paper. Thank you for looking at my how to make a pH paper experiment. Hope yours also works just fine.